Just made it to Seward here. It's around 7 AM, quite early. My tour starts at 9. Got a great map here from the Kenai Fjords, which will be my home for the next 3 days pretty much. We're in Seward now. I'm gonna do the tour to the Northwestern Fjords, so that's like the longest tour through the fjords, and it focuses on icebergs and wildlife. Just 10 minutes after leaving the harbour, we could already see the first humpback whales, with an amazing background. Having the mountains and the glaciers as a backdrop was just incredible. The captain then showed us a spot where you're guaranteed to see some of the sea lion colonies as well. After around 2 hours, we reached the highlight of the tour with the Northwestern Glacier presenting itself in front of us. We were slowly driving towards him until we are parked right in front, pretty much surrounded by hanging glaciers all around the boat. We spent around 20 minutes there looking at the amazing glaciers, and with the sunshine coming out, we were also lucky to have this incredible blue color. Exactly 7 hours later, we're back in Seward Harbor here. The glacier was amazing, I have to say. It was really one of the coolest looking glaciers I've seen so far. Sadly, we didn't see so many whales, no orcas, and only one humpback whale for 10 seconds. So that was not as good as my previous whale tours. but the glacier was amazing. Right now I'm at Bear Creek, very full of salmon right now. It's the height of the season actually, it's the peak of the season, and you can see them swimming upstream here. They want to go over there where they hatch. Female dig a little hole in the ground and they lay their eggs, and then the male are coming to fertilize the eggs. There's also a good chance to see grizzly bears. I've got my bear spray with me, of course. And there's actually a big group, a big family group that didn't know about the bears. I just told them. Because, yeah, there have been some incidents in this area actually pretty recent. You gotta be super careful and don't go out without bear spray. So this is bear spray, you have a safety cap. If you remove that, you open up the trigger, and then this is where it would come out. It's kind of like a pepper spray for bears, and it has a very long range. Like, you're supposed to spray him like 2 or 3 seconds before he would hit you, well, in case he's charging. Just walking back to the Nauti Otter again, and yeah, I got some footage from the salmon jumping up. That was nice. This river here doesn't have any salmon. You can see it has this gray color again. Only the Bear Creek has all the salmon. Yeah, and it's also called Bear Creek for a reason, because they have a lot of bears. Alaska is one of the world's best salmon destinations, and all the locals know exactly how to fish, catch and also prepare the salmon. And even though I personally don't like to eat fish that much, I tried some of the smoked salmon and it tasted absolutely incredible. All of these bushes are all blueberry berry bushes. So you can pick your own blueberries. There's quite a few of them here actually. You made it to the end of the video. That's awesome. Thank you so much. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button as well. Leave me some feedback in the comments, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. A special shout out to my Patreon supporters as well. If you would like to find out how you can support me and receive monthly benefits such as receiving postcards from me or me being your own personal trip planner, then check out the link below.